So I'll be very short. I'll take only 20 minutes of your time, then I'll be out of your way. Greeting to the host, our little brother also. We feel very much honored to be invited by you. It is an honor. It is an honor and a privilege to stand in such a very big gathering. We feel very much respected.